What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to verify age on Roblox without ID and phone number. Now if you don't have an ID and a phone number, we want to assume that you're a minor and naturally you might not have these documents. So you need to go over to Roblox help, locate this page, and we will be having the link to this in the description below so you can have an easy access. You need to provide your username, your first name, your email address, confirm your email address, and provide the details. Now under the issue details, you can see what device you're having the problem on, the type of help category. There are other options. You can see age-based settings and account with parental privileges, right? So you could choose this option and then describe your issue. You can simply state that you'd like to verify your age without ID and phone number, stating your age as an obstacle. When that's written and you feel that everything is done, you could go over to the continue button, click on it, and your goal is to have this issue submitted to Roblox, where they will provide you with needed guidance on how to verify and what they can do to successfully verify your age without an ID or a phone number. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to verify your age on Roblox without your ID and phone number.